Imagine owning a device that's not just a smartphone, but a gateway to a world of innovation. That's the promise of the Pixel 9 series, and today we're taking it a step further. Android 15 Beta is now officially available for the Pixel 9, 9 Pro, and 9 Pro XL, bringing a host of exciting new features and enhancements. Android 15 Beta has been making waves in the tech community, and for good reason. We've seen some incredible additions, from improved multitasking capabilities to enhanced privacy features and a revamped notification system. Now, the big news is that Google has expanded the beta program to include the Pixel 9 series. This means you can experience Android 15 firsthand on your brand new devices. Enrolling in the beta is a simple process. Just head over to the Android Beta for Pixel website, sign in with your Google account, and select your eligible device. You should receive an OTA update shortly after. However, it's important to remember that this is a beta version. While it's packed with new features, it's also prone to bugs and instability. It's always a good idea to back up your data before installing the beta. Let's talk about some of the key features you can expect in Android 15 Beta. One of the most notable improvements is in multitasking. The split screen functionality has been refined, making it easier to work on multiple apps simultaneously. Additionally, picture-in-picture mode has been enhanced, allowing you to watch videos or make calls while using other apps. Privacy and security are also a top priority in Android 15. Google has strengthened privacy settings, making it easier to control your data and protect your personal information. Additionally, the operating system has been enhanced to provide better protection against malware and other threats. Another significant change in Android 15 is the revamped notification system. The notification tray has been redesigned to offer a more intuitive and customizable experience. You can now categorize notifications, prioritize important alerts, and customize the appearance of the tray to suit your preferences. Beyond these core features, Android 15 Beta also introduces several other enhancements. For example, there are improvements to accessibility features, making the operating system more usable for people with disabilities. Additionally, Google has refined the user interface, making it more visually appealing and easier to navigate. One of the most exciting aspects of Android 15 Beta is the potential for new APIs that developers can utilize to create innovative apps. These APIs can unlock new possibilities for developers, leading to a wider range of apps and features for users. As Google continues to refine Android 15 through future beta releases, we can expect even more improvements and new features. The official release of Android 15 is highly anticipated, and it promises to bring a significant upgrade to the Pixel 9 series and other compatible devices. So if you're an adventurous Pixel 9 series owner, give the Android 15 Beta a try. Let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching.